Today I will be field testing a dynamic fire damper, which is a 18 by 12, and I will be using the fire damper testing tool to assist with me today. A few things before I get started was I made sure that my clips aren't excessively long, and I want to make sure both clips aren't touching each other. You want to make sure there's a slight gap to begin. So let's go and get started. First off, you want to get the tool set up and set the bottom pin. I know you can't see it in the video because of the angle. Once the bottom pin is set up, the first level is already set, so we want to set the second level. Once you get that up there, go ahead and tighten it down. There's two knobs on the top up here that you want to go ahead and tighten down as well. Once those are tight, you want to go ahead and grab your clip, go ahead and bring it back and hook it inside of that back hook. And pull the string tight. Keep in mind, I am on an 8-foot ladder using one hand within the duct, one hand outside of the duct. So now I could go ahead and remove my clip. Okay, my clip is now removed. Notice how the damper is still up in the air and my hand is completely free. Let's go ahead and drop test her now. The damper is now closed. It has closed 100%. Now let's go ahead and open her back up. And as I'm pulling this up, I'm using the tool to assist me with holding it up in the air. Now that the damper's all the way up, I could easily grab my clip, put it up, and lock it in. Now, just reverse on what you did on the first steps. Take out your adjustment. Don't forget your back clip, like I almost forgot. Bottom block. And your tool's all out. That's a dynamic fire damper.